Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to monetize AI text-to-speech YouTube channels. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. There are a lot of YouTube channels that are monetized even it is only AI text-to-speech videos. Monetizing an AI text-to-speech YouTube channel can be done through various methods. First, you have to use AI correctly. And here are some steps that you can take to monetize your channel. Take account to these 5 steps. The first one is make sure your content is unique and hasn't been taken or copied. Create a high-quality content. Focus on creating engaging and valuable content for your viewers. Choose topics that are in demand and align with your target audience interests. You can also consider using the AI text-to-speech technology to narrate stories, provide educational content, or share news updates. Build a substantial subscriber base. Aim to grow your subscriber base by promoting your channel through social media, relevant forums, and online communities. You can also encourage viewers to subscribe and share your content with others. Increasing your subscriber count will help you reach YouTube's monetization requirements. Now, the second step is make sure your film offers something significant in terms of entertainment, education, or information. You can also explore sponsored content and brand collaborations. And as your channel grows, you may attract the attentions of brands and companies interested in promoting their products or services. Collaborate with relevant brands by featuring their content in your videos or creating dedicated sponsored videos. Ensure that such collaborations align with your channel's content and maintain transparency with your audience. The third step is check to see whether your AI text-to-speech is video worthy. You also have to enable monetization on YouTube. To start earning money from your channel, you will need to meet YouTube's partner program requirements. These include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, along with adhering to YouTube's policies and guidelines. And once eligible, you can apply to join the YouTube Partners Program. Set up Google AdSense. Link your YouTube channel to a Google AdSense account, which will allow you to display ads on your videos. You will earn a portion of the revenue generated from these ads based on factors such as ad impressions, click-through rates, and ad engagement. AdSense provides various ad formats, including pre-roll, mid-roll, and display ads. The fourth step is ensure that your video clip has good enough editing and quality graphics. You can also utilize affiliate marketing. Recommend product or services related to your content and include affiliate links in your video descriptions or accompanying text. When viewers make a purchase through your affiliate links, you will earn a commission. Research and partner with reputable affiliate programs that align with your niche. You also have to engage with your audience. Encourage viewer engagement through comments, likes, and shares. Then, you have to respond to comments and build a community around your channel. Engaging with your audience helps foster loyalty and may attract more viewers, ultimately contributing to your monetization efforts. Diversify revenue streams. Consider expanding your revenue streams beyond YouTube by leveraging other platforms. Explore options such as Patreon, where viewers can support your channel through monthly subscriptions, or create premium content for platforms like Skillshare or Udemy, where you can provide in-depth courses. Now the final step is always exercise considerable caution when bringing up controversial or contentious issues. You have to educate yourself before engaging in a discussion. Take the time to educate yourself about the topic. You also have to practice active listening, choose the right environment, use I statements when expressing your own opinion. Be aware of nonverbal cues and respect differing opinions. Remember that extreme caution means being mindful of the potential impact of your words and action. By fostering respectful and constructive dialogue, you can contribute to meaningful conversations on borderline or controversial topics. Remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. Focus on creating high-quality content and nurturing your audience. Continuously evaluate and adapt your monetization strategies based on the needs and preferences of your viewers. And that's the some steps that you can take to monetize your channel. And yes, you can monetize your YouTube channel by only using text-to-speech AI tools. You only have to follow these steps and tips. Create high-quality content, build a substantial subscriber base, enable monetization on YouTube, set up Google AdSense, explore sponsored content and brand collaborations, utilize affiliate marketing, engage with your audience, and diversify revenue streams. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question in this video, please don't hesitate to leave a note on the comment section. See you on the next video.